Hi friends, today I am going to prepare a super soft Mangalorean breakfast Manni. To prepare Manni, I am using 2 glasses of white rice which I have cleaned and soaked for 2 hours. After 2 hours, in a mixer I am adding rice, water and grinding it into a coarse batter. To this I am adding about 8 glasses of water. Once the rice is ready, to the same jar I am adding about 1 grated coconut, little water and grinding for just 2 rounds and adding this into the rice batter. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, a little lesser than half kg of jaggery. This can be adjusted based on taste. Mix this and keep it for boil on a medium flame. We need to keep stirring it, otherwise it will get stuck to the vessel. Check and adjust salt if required. It has thickened as well as we can see the bubbles. So let's turn it off. On a plate I have placed the banana leaf. Let us pour the batter onto this. And thinly spread the batter. We need to let it cool completely. In our home, we leave this overnight to cool. The Manni has cooled completely. Now we can cut it into pieces and enjoy the super soft and grainy rice pudding or Manni. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Manni Home Kitchen. Bye.